Welcome back. So in this tutorial, we're going to explain about interaction. Basically, interaction has about 3 different processes. We have the trigger, the action, and the destination. Now let's demonstrate this using our frames. So let's select a frame of iPhone and name this as screen 1. Then we duplicate this. You can hold down your Alt key and you drag. Then we'll update this as screen 2. Now let's change the background color of screen 1 to another color entirely so that we can differentiate the screen when we are applying our prototype. So now we have 2 screens. So let's go to prototype, select the first screen, then add a flow point to be the first screen, then add interaction, then you leave it the way it is, select the first frame, then you connect it to this second frame. So our first prototype is ready. You can see the trigger is on tab and the action is navigate to, then the destination is screen 2. This is what it simply means, that when we tap on the first screen, the screen should navigate to the second screen. So now let's preview this to see the result. So the prototype is ready now. Now if I tap on the first screen now, you can see it has navigated to the second screen. So this is how it works. Maybe you want a situation where you want if the user click on the screen or on a particular button, you want them to be directed to the next screen or to the next page. So you can use this type of interaction to achieve that. So now let's go to the second feature, which is ondrag. So we're going to update that to ondrag. Then the animation, we can leave it as it is. The direction, we can update it from left, right, down, and all that. So we're going to play around with the ondrag. So let's start with the direction of the left. Then we restart our prototype again. Now our prototype is ready. So this time, if you tap, see nothing is happening, right? But now let's drag from left to right. It's not working. Then from right to left, you can see the prototype is working. Now let's come back again and update it to right. This time it's going to be effective if you drag from the other side of the screen. So let's restart the prototype again. Then I will drag. It's still not effective. Let's wait a bit. Then I'll drag. I can see it's effective. So that's how that one is achieved. Maybe you want to create a page in such a way that you want them to drag. Maybe you are creating a slider where you want them to drag a button to make particular effects. So you can use this trigger method to achieve that. So you can decide where you want them to drag irrespective of the arrow positioning. So here that's a down part. So you want them to drag from up to the down to see the changes. So let me start the prototype again. And this time we're going to drag from up. It's still loading. So let's drag from up. And you can see how it works. So the last one is up. So we're going to drag from down. Let's restart the prototype again. Then this time we're going to drag from down, up, and see the result. Still loading. Let's wait. So we're going to drag from down, up. You can see how it works. So we can use this type of, trigger if you want to have a kind of button where you want them to drag to experience a certain effect. So this is how the ondrag and ontap works. So in the next video, we're going to explain more trigger, in prototype.